Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes, and let me tell you the rule of our class. In our class, whenever you will be showing thumbs up, you should have a great smile. Big wali smile. Okay, so now show your thumbs up with a big smile. Yes, this is the rule of our class. Okay, so because we are going to learn a lovely drawing, Hannah, and drawing is what? Drawing is your reflection. So when you will start your drawing with a great smile, your drawing will be happy. When you will be happy, then only your drawing will be happy. Okay. So whenever I will be asking you to show a thumbs up, you should have a lovely smile on your face. Okay. And today's drawing, I have complete trust. You all will definitely love to draw. Acha, I'm giving you some hints and try to reveal. And see, I randomly ask questions also in my class related to drawing. And we maintain a scoreboard like this. Boys team, girls team, and I write marks. And related to drawing, I keep asking question also. And let's see which team wins, okay? So it will be a fun also at the same time. Acha, tell me today the drawing which I'm going to teach you is the one who live in oceans, in water, and very beautiful, and live in a water castle, wear the jewelry of shells and pearls. Half body is fish and half body is, yes, it's a correct answer. We are going to learn a beautiful mermaid, okay? And you must be thinking, making mermaid, it will be so difficult. No, you will see using just numbers and letters, we will learn how to draw a mermaid. So show me how many of you are excited to learn. Yes, that's it. Mermaid. She's a queen of ocean. Okay. We will be showing her as the ocean queen. Okay. And we will relate our mermaid to the very big concept that is save our water world. Okay. In this drawing, this mermaid is appealing. Please save my water world. Don't throw your polythene, plastic bottles in it. Okay. So this drawing is not only a drawing on mermaid, but it is a very good concept on save our water world. Okay. So are you ready? Show thumbs up if ready. Thumbs up with smile. Okay. Don't forget this. Very good. For this, your file is ready. And now you need one circle. You can take your mom's bangle, or you can take a bowl or a glass and or water bottles vase, but we need this much big circle. Okay. Take a circle and we will start with a beautiful drawing mermaid. Okay. Yes. Pencil and eraser. Okay. This much material is required today. You can get one circle or a glass from your kitchen. Okay. If the circle is not available. Now see, this is your center. And this is your center. Keep your finger on center of the page. Okay. This is center. I will be making my mermaid here, exactly on center. Okay. And if your paper is small, suppose you are using A4 size paper, and then in the center, so you can make it almost near. So I'm using A3 size. So here, almost here I will be making, not exactly in center, slightly above than center. Okay. So keep this much big, and how much big circle you will be taking? This much big. Don't take a small, tiny circle. Okay. So it is slightly above, almost in center. And this is a circle. Come on. Draw a circle. Okay. Almost which size? Your bangle. Okay. We want a circle equal to bangle. Okay. You can take a glass or you can take a bangle. Go to kitchen, get it, and done. Okay. Yes. All of you have done? Show thumbs up. Done? Okay. Let me see which team is giving cute smile every time. Okay, I will deduct marks of the team which is not showing thumbs up with smile. Okay, now after this, I will use number 11. 1, 1, 11. Okay, how? I will take 2 points. And this is 1, 1, 11. Small 1, 1, 11. Okay. Now you will see the magic of numbers and letters. Okay. Ronak, you can send your doubt. If you have a question, you can ask. Okay. And these are 2 points. I will be making very small slanting lines, not big. Okay. See, we can't unmute anyone. We keep everyone muted so that the class can go in rhythm and the quality time can be used properly. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you just type a message and send. So these are 2 small lines, not very big. Okay. Small. Don't make it big. Otherwise, it will look very strange. Acha, see, I'm repeating. Okay. Those who joined little late, I will be repeating this. What I did, I draw a circle. I took 2 points, then 11, and then 2 small. It is looking like L. And it's looking like L. Now these are 2 points. Come on, take 2 points. Where you finish your L. Yes, L. Okay. Turner, Ranav, you please click on active speaker view. Okay. Click on active speaker view, so you will be able to see me. Okay. Otherwise, you can do one thing, you leave class and rejoin. Now, after this, I will be making a glass shape. Okay, glass shape. But how much big? So first, I will keep my fingers here. This line I have now, where the nape finish, 3 finger distance. Keep your 3 fingers. Come on. Just below nape. Okay, where your nape finish now, there you keep your 3 fingers and take a point. Come on, do this. 3 fingers. Okay. From where? From this neckline. From here, you will count. From here. 3 fingers distance, draw a line. Astitva, you do one thing. You leave class and rejoin. Because rest everyone can hear me. Or check your internet. Am I audible to others? Show thumbs up. Okay. So Astitva, you please check, beta. You must be having some internet problem, I think. You click on active speaker view. Those, Acha, see students, let me make one thing clear. You won't be able to see me. Okay, you won't be able to see my face. You will be able to see only file and my hands. Okay, so don't get confused. You must be finding out for a camera in which you will be able to see me. You will not be able to see my face, only my voice, my hands and artwork. Okay. Yes, now I will be connecting the 8 with a glass shape. Connect it with a glass shape, slanting line. Okay, make this way slanting line. Come on, do this. Okay, and see, this is a very beautiful way of showing save our water world. Okay, save water. You can simply give it topic, save water. And these days, this is a very prominent topic we are getting for competition. So if you find this kind of topic in competition in your school or anywhere online, you can try this drawing there. Okay, very good. Okay, done. Show me. All of you lift up your work and show. Okay, we simply draw a circle, then 11, then 2 sleeping lines, 3 finger distance and slanting lines. Wonderful. Wow, you all are doing so well. Great. Chalo, let's come back. Now, I will be making the shape of body. Okay. Now see how I'm going to make shape of body from here till here. Okay, not till the end. I will be writing S for S. See how? S for, come on, write S. S. S for sun. Okay? Yes. Write simply S. This is S. Okay? And from here, okay? And from here, you will be writing J for jug. Draw a small slanting line. Show me S first. All of you lift up and show S. S for sun. Okay? Yes, it will give a wonderful curve to the body. Very good. It's amazing. Shabash. And from here, I will be making a small slanting line. Come on, make a small slanting line. And after making the small slanting line, you will simply draw a J for jug. Connect. You will not join. Okay, J for jug. First you make slanting line, so you will know that where your line will go. And don't connect. Okay, don't connect. These are very close but not connected. Okay? Yes. If you want to make it straight, you can make it straight also. And it's your choice how you want to make. I want to make it this way. Okay? What I did, I used letter S and letter J for jump. It is going slanting. These are 2 points. I want to check it. Please show your work. Okay, I want to check the work. Yes. Is body looking correct? Lovely. S and J. Perfect. Very good. Simply use letters and numbers. And why we relate our drawings to letters and numbers? Because letters and numbers are the things, the shapes you are well familiar with. Hai na? So when we relate drawing, when we break drawing in pieces and relate it to the shape which is very much well familiar with you and with your brain, hai na? So you find the drawing, the same drawing, very simple. Okay, this is the trick of our teaching technique. So here, S, okay, and I will take a point very near, J for jug. Now I will be writing C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, and it's looking like 3, you know, it's looking like 3. Okay, I will be making lovely tail. What I did, I draw C, I draw C. If you feel that your body is coming in between, you can extend the line and make your tail here. Okay, this is a very cute, very small, beautiful, mermaid, queen mermaid. And she want to clean and she's appealing that please don't spoil this water world. And this drawing is having a great story. That what happened when she found polythene and bottles everywhere. What happened to other fishes and how she solved the problem. So this drawing is having a great story. Okay. In our drawing sessions, we always share stories while doing coloring. Now you will be taking 1 point here, near. See? Okay, this middle part, take a point here. And now from here to here, I will be writing. You can simply write C or you can write S. Again, S. Come on. S for sun. Okay, right from your S. And same here, S. Okay, while writing S, you will not have to think because S, you know that this ways and this ways. And this ways and this way. So we simply use S for making the curves. And see, this S has given such beautiful curves in our drawing. Anna, I want to check it. Please lift up, show how the basic shape of body is looking. Oh my God, I can't believe it is so beautifully made. Lovely. Okay. So see, today's drawing is helpful for showing sea world, water world, and save water world. Okay. And I want to be, and what my dream place. I love the place most. So this underworld, water world is the beautiful place. See, Manya, you as you must be writing for while writing you must be using S, na? So simply same as you are supposed to use here. And if you feel that you are not able to write S, suppose I'm showing it here. If you feel that you are not able to write S, so what you will be doing, this tail, and this is the tail. You simply take a point and join with C. Join with C. Okay. Those who are not able to write C S, they will be simply joining it with C. Okay. Write C. Don't make S then. So this is your choice, whether C or S. Okay. Yes, you will be writing C and you can complete. Okay. Now let's make a small, tiny frill here. This point, take 2 points, small points out. Now let's make a lovely dress. I will be making same point, 2 points out, and I will be making frill. From this point to this point, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C, and again. Okay? Uniform. Don't make us big and a small. Very carefully with stable hands, you will be using letter C for making this frill. Okay, we are going to make a lovely dress for a mermaid. Okay. But this is the story of ocean, which was a very beautiful ocean with clean water everywhere, and all fishes, shells, everything, everyone was very, very happy. Okay. See, after making this frill, yes, take 1 and 2 points here, a center point, and I will be making 3. Take a center point, 3. Draw a 3. Okay. Draw a 3. And simply this line I have now connect. Stripes. Okay. Connect it. So we will be making C for cat for showing the beautiful dress of our mermaid. Okay. I will be showing some patterns. I simply show this polka dots in this dress. Okay. These are pearls of ocean. Okay. I want to check it. Please lift up your work. All of you. Yes, you can make small flowers or anything. Although these polka dots we will be making using earbud. Okay, because while coloring, we are going to use watercolors also. Very good. Here in Tanya's drawing, I can see 2 mermaids. She want to make 2 friend mermaids. Lovely. Okay. Very good. You all have done really great work. Very great work. Now let's complete hands. Okay. Show thumbs up if you all have done. And if anyone want me to wait, please show thumbs down. I will wait for them. Okay. Thumbs up with smile. Huh? Don't forget this. Because when you will be happy, then your drawing will be happy. Anna? Alavia? Yes. Can you hear? Show me your thumbs up with a great smile. That's it. Show me your drawing. Oh my God, I can't believe this is looking cute like you. You all are amazing. I can't believe this. Lovely. Okay, now let's just make hands. Okay, so 1 point here, 1 point here, 2 points. 1 here, 1 here. Same here, 1 point here, 1 equal distance. Okay, we will be taking equal distance. 2 points. And from this point, the top point, you will be making line till the frill. Okay, the frill part. Slanting lines. Okay. Same here. Till frill, slanting line. Okay, till frill, I made this line. So it will give you idea. 2 lines. Now how to make hands. Okay. Now you will learn how to make hands. First of all, you will decide 2 points from where your hands will start. Okay. And then you will make first line in which whatever position you want to give. Suppose you want to give a curve, and suppose you want to show hands up, show hands straight. So first this upper line will decide that which direction you want to decide for your hands. Okay. Now decide last point. Take last point. Take last point. Okay. And from this point, very near, I will take one more point. Okay. Decide one more point. Same, near to this, I will decide one more point. Okay. And now what I will be doing, the second point and this point, I will connect. Okay, you can connect. Same here, I will connect this point. And this way, the lines of hands are decided. Okay, 2 parallel is, these are looking like 2, 11. 11 this side, 11 this side, right? Yes. Show me, please lift up your work and show. Yes, very good. Make sure your hand should not be very broad from here. You know? If you will make lines very broad here and thin here, it is wrong. So make sure it should not happen. Okay. If it is like that, to immediately clean it. And that's why we decide the point first. So hand is always thick from above and thin from here. And this is wrist part. If it is thin from here and from here it is thick, it is wrong. Okay. Yes. Now this top line, give a curve. Show it like a curve, J. It's looking like J. Same here. I'm making hands. Okay. Now we are going to show palms of the mermaid. Okay. So what I did, I gave a small curve, C for cat. Overall, it's looking like J for jug. It's looking like J for, you will not give a deep curve. Don't give a deep curve, very flat. Now from here, okay, from second point, draw a small U. Small U, come on. U and connect. Connect. Don't make it very big, okay? If you want to make, you can make U slightly more big. So the end, make lines to show fingers. Okay, to show fingers, you will make line. Same here, U and fingers. Yajini, you please check, click on active speaker view because rest all can see my video. Can you see my video? Show thumbs up. Yes. So Yashini, you please check, beta. You must be having some internet problem, I think. Now, the most awaited, beautiful face of mermaid. You must be thinking making face of mermaid will be very difficult. But no, my dears, you will see the magic of letters and numbers here also. Simply, we will connect the shapes to letters and numbers with which you are well familiar with. है ना? No, it is not at all, Manya. है ना? First of all, give up this. Don't keep this line in your brain that it is hard. I cannot make it. Keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Okay? When you will keep saying to yourself, I can do it, I can do it, so you are definitely be able to. Okay? I will repeat hands. What I did, I just gave a curve. From here, I draw a U and then I join. Okay? From here, I draw a U, then I join. Okay? Now, I want to check the hands first. Please show your work. Hands. Shabash. It's perfect. Very good. Okay? Make sure your hands will be, see in few drawings, I can see hands are very small. See this frill, this frock I made now, my hands are till here big. Okay? They are long till your frock. Okay, so don't finish your hands here. They will look very small. So in few drawings, the hands are very small. No. Extend your line till the frill, the frock. Okay? Now, ready for making beautiful face? Show your thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So, let's start with beautiful face. Take a point here on corner. Okay. And take a point here, slanting. We are going to use letter S so many times. Here you can simply connect, or if you can write, you can write S. You can simply connect also. Okay, those who are not able to write S, they will simply make C. Okay. And from here to here again S. And see, normally we write S this way, but here you will be writing S this way, flat. Okay. You will not give a curve, you will make it flat. This is the difference. Okay. So keep this thing in mind, but the curve, the way you will be moving your pencil is same. I will be making one S from here to here. S. Again. And this S will add smooth curves. And those who are not able to make S, and those who feel that they are finding it difficult to make S, they will simply make C, and here also C. Okay, you can simply make C. Don't make S. So C and S both are, the choice is yours. You can try any. Okay. Now hair, because hair, if we will not make hair beautifully, then the beauty of this beautiful mermaid will disappear. And so let's make it very beautifully, very carefully. Okay. Yes. After this, okay, from here, I will be making, from here, take a point here. Where do you finish this? Take a point here. And again, draw one S very close to hand. Come on, one more S and give a curve. S again. Okay. And just make a line and connect very close to face. Now see here, this line will start from here and it will go very close to your hands and curve. Okay. This is a small flick I'm showing here. We will erase this line. What I did, this is S, looking like J for jug. And one more line, it's a big J for jug. I want to check it. Show me your work. Very good. It's perfect. Okay, S and then J. Shabash. And here I will be showing a beautiful flower. Okay, this is an ocean flower she put in here. Simple flower. Okay, this is a beautiful flower, favorite of mermaid. From ocean, she picked up and put in here. Okay. Done? I want to check it. Please lift up. Lift up your work. Very good. It's simply S and J. Great. Okay, it is very close to hands. This complete style is very close to hands, है ना? Overlapping the face. Now from here, take a point here on this hand. Take a point there here on this hand. Come on. Okay, very close to this shoulder line. And from here, draw a J for jug. Going upwards. Come on. J for jug. Going upwards. Okay. And from here, it will be the done. It's a J for jug. From here, this arm. Okay, because while swimming in water, the hair, long hair of mermaid, they keep floating in water. And that is the beauty of mermaid, right? So it's a J for jug. And from here, now see, you will keep, this is the point up. From here, you will be making, but again a J for jug to close and give a curve. Again a J for jug. Come on. Show a J for jug this ways. Okay. And I want to check this first. All of you. Very good. Lovely. Okay. And the hair you can make as big as you want. Okay. They are floating, water hair floating on in water. Okay. Now see this line I have now. Just make a curved line here. Give this also a curve and erase this line. Make sure this line will go this ways and one more curve this ways. Okay, I just connect and show the lines of hair. Okay, here too. Okay, and I want to check it first. Please lift up your work. Very beautiful. Great. Chalo, let's come back to beautiful eyes of mermaid. Now, how to make eyes? Hana, you must be thinking making eyes will be very difficult. But no, we will be using letter D. Make two big eyes. Okay. And two lines. Draw simply two lines. And simply two lines of equal size. First, you draw with pencil, okay? Now, Ojasvi, I'm able to see you, beta. When you show your work, I'm able to see you. Now, see, this is line, and I will be taking 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay, we will decide that how much big line I'm going to make. And I will convert this line in capital D. D for determination. D for duck. We know D, letter D, capital D. Come on, show capital D. This is capital D. Now again, for making face, I'm going to use numbers and letters. See, Ishita, if you want to draw your own kind of eyes, yes, you can draw. Okay. I'm teaching with very simple technique now. C for cat. C for cat. Looking on this side and two lines, eyelashes. C for cat. C for cat. She's looking at something this side. Eyelashes. Okay. Simply eyeballs this side, looking at something here. Okay. And what she's looking at here, she's listening to the complaint of a fish. That so much of dirt is here. We are not able to breathe, do something, this ways. Now please show the work, all of you. Yes. So let me tell you, this was a beautiful ocean land, and the name of this beautiful ocean land was Pure Land. Okay. Don't forget to show eyebrows. Small c. Come on. Small c to show eyebrows. And in between of these two eyes, small tiny c to show nose. Tiny c to show nose. And yes, and almost a straight line. Okay, slightly curved. And a line. Smile. Okay, slightly curved. And a line for showing the beautiful face of mermaid. Okay? She's looking, she's listening. A small tiny fish. No one is listening to the complaint. She came and said, mermaid, you please tell me the name of this beautiful mermaid is Maria. She said, Maria, please tell me where to go. Everywhere there is polythene, water bottles. I want to leave this place. Then what happened? That is the story. Okay, next class I will be sharing the story. Okay, want to check the work? Show the face. Wow, beautiful. Now see, using just letter D, C, and two lines, your beautiful face is ready. Let's make some more flicks. So from here, okay, from here, J, one more flick is required. So let's cover up the face. J. And if you want, you can write S. And erase the line of face. Okay? You can simply connect it this way. If you want, otherwise, you can leave it also. If you want to make it small, you can make it small also. Okay? As I made. Now see this way, the face is done. Okay, the jewelry and everything we will be making directly with earbud impression. So our mermaid is ready. Okay. Now show me your work, all of you. Let me see. Great. It's looking great. Wonderful. Okay, we use simply letters and numbers. Very well done. Amazing. Chalo, now let's make a beautiful fish complaining. Tiny fish. Okay. And the name of this fish is Tinu. As she is very tiny, the name is Tinu. No one listened to Tinu, but she is always ready to listen. And here I will be showing the complete group of fishes, and we are going to use a thumb impression. So we will be learning that impression of your fingers and thumb can create textures. Okay, so we will be making a complete group of fishes, tiny fishes. Okay, so let's make this Tinu. Chalo, come on for making this. Draw C for cat. See, I don't know your name. It is Galaxy M01. Better rest all can hear me. You please check your internet. Can you hear me clearly? Show your thumbs up. Am I clearly audible? Okay, fine. So please, those who are not able to clearly listen me, you check your internet, you must be having some internet problem. Now see, this is a shape of C. Take a point at the back and draw C again. Show C again. Okay. From here, you will cross it. See, you will get the recording of this class on my YouTube channel. Okay. My YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom. Please note down. Here, this is my YouTube channel, and here you are going to get recording of the class. This class and coloring. Note down, the name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. Okay. This is the name of my YouTube channel. And now join it with 3. Come on. Small, tiny eye. Small, tiny eye. And fin. Okay, she's complaining. Please listen, Maria. So she said, yes, tell me, Tinu. Everywhere there is dirt. Something should be done. Hannah? And all fishes are thinking of leaving this beautiful place. Okay, and what was the name of this beautiful place? The name was Peace Land. Okay. You can show few more friends. C for cat, coming slanting downwards. C for cat, take a point. Let's make a group. Okay. C for cat. Okay. Take a point. 3. U, I'm going to make it very simple. Okay. Mo, complete group. Mo. Now we know. Yes, I will be showing that also, how to make water. Everything I will be showing. Okay. 3. I. Okay, simply few fishes. You make a group. They all want to know the reason for this disturbance in water world everywhere. They all are asking the same question. And here we are going to show with thumb impression. And we will be showing our fishes with thumb impression. So that will be a very new technique for you. And in drawing, if you don't have colors, if you don't have paint brushes, you can even use your hands for making any work. Okay. And that is called hand painting. Complete artwork. In this, we will be using thumb impression for making fishes. Yes, Emmanuel, you want to ask anything? Emmanuel, you can simply type and send, okay? You type and send. Now I will be making fishes, round shaped fishes going upwards. So this is going to be a thumb impression. Okay, simply make a round, because here we will take a thumb impression. First, make round. Okay, small, tiny fishes going upwards. Okay, we'll be making small, she's completely surrounded with small, tiny creatures of, we will be taking a thumb impression for making it looking beautiful. Simply show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay, these fishes are very small. Yes, Samya, you please type and send. Here you can, if you want, you can simply make the fins after making your, okay. Simply make tail. Simply make tail by making lines. Okay, these all fishes. Eyes. Okay, small, tiny eyes. Yes, I will repeat fish. I will be repeating this once again. It is C for cat. Okay, take a point. And from here again, C for cat. The point which I took, I will cross my C again. Take a center point and it is 3. C, a dot, and U for showing fins. And here this is simply circle. Small, tiny face. They are playing in water, but they are in danger now because everywhere the garbage, polythene bottle, and this has made their life difficult. Okay, we are going to show this also. From here, we will be showing when polythene is coming, water bottle is coming. Make small circles because we are going to take a thumb impression here. And don't forget to show small, tiny fins. Okay, U, simply U. Bubbles. Okay, for bubbles, we will be making directly with earbud. Okay, I will be giving you the material required for next class. So we are not going to make bubbles because bubbles we will be using directly with earbud. I want to check this. Please lift up your work. Show me. Very beautiful, lovely. And you all have done it so nicely. Okay, if you want to add some more fishes, yes, you can. Otherwise, some small, tiny fishes. Okay, because main object of our drawing is very big. So no need to make big fishes. We just want to show that she's listening to the problems of all these tiny ones. Okay, this ways, I will be completing the fishes here. They are running here and there. Very naughty fishes. Okay, group of naughty children, naughty fishes. And now the time of making some stones, some beauty of environment. Okay, now I will be showing a pearl. Okay, I will be showing a platform here. Otherwise, let's go for very simple. A curved line for showing a big stone. Show a big stone. Okay, according to the place. And here we are going to do watercolors. You will be learning so many techniques in this drawing. And this drawing is going to be a big, great fun for you. Okay, don't forget to make grass. How to make grass? You can make U-shaped grass. See, this ways you can make U-shaped grass. Okay. Some more stones. You can see I'm making stones, so many stones here. And grass. Okay, we will be using letter. First make stone. This is C shape, C. But C is not very round. It is slightly irregular. You just shake your hand, right? C. Again C. Again C. I want to check the stones. Please lift up your work. Show me. Show stones, big, big stones. We are going to make these stones very colorful with watercolors. Lovely. And now let's show some grass. How to show grass? See, here I use letter U, U, U for making grass. And here I'm going to use V. V. See, all of you see? This is V. V, V, V. Okay, this ways you can show some grass. Okay, don't make too much, otherwise. And your complete drawing. And here we are going to add some bottles. Okay, bottles are small bottles in big ocean rectangle, which is spoiling our water world. Okay, plastic bottles, polythene, foil wrap, wrappers of kurkure, wafers, they are throwing. And you know what, where it is going? Direct after going to your drainage system, then your rivers, and then ocean. You won't believe when big island has been formed with this all waste plastic. Okay? Mishita, you please type and set. Now I will make a rectangle and then 11. Draw 11. Okay? Draw 11. And join. This is a bottle, okay, which is coming down. Polythene, na? So this, we will not show here, just above. Otherwise, it will spoil the beauty. One polythene here. Show one polythene. How to show polythene? A U. Come on. A U. Handle again U. And a polythene. Okay. Show a polythene. Now, these all things are spoiling our water world. Okay. Now, see, these two pollutant is your choice. If you want to make, you can. And if you feel that I don't want to make, I just want to make a beautiful world, then you can skip it also. Okay. So I will not make this polythene. I will be showing some garbage from here or there. Okay. And rest my complete world, I will be keeping here. So this is all about our today's beautiful drawing. Save our water world. Don't pollute it. And these all fishes, these tiny fishes are requesting. Now see, it's time I want to check the work and then I will give you the list. You wrote down the material required for next class, okay? Show your files, all of you. Very good. I can't believe this. Really, it is great. Lovely. All of you show. Shabash. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. To see what we did, we use simply letters and number. See, this is my Instagram ID. Okay, this is my Instagram ID, @underscore_classes. So you can send your work here. I check my work on this platform. Okay, I send my feedback and corrections. Now all of you take your pencil and note down the material. And this is my YouTube channel on which you will get complete recording of today's class. Okay, you will get recording of today's class on my YouTube channel after a few hours. Okay, it will take few hours to upload. When we will get recording from Zoom, then we will upload. So wait for a few hours. My creative mom, Leena Bandil, this is my YouTube channel. On this, we will upload the video of today's class. Okay, and this is the platform, @underscore_classes, where you can send your artwork for corrections. I just check and then I send the corrections, my feedback also. Okay. Chalo, now take pencil and note down the material required. Come on. Material required for next class. The very first thing is plastic crayons. We need plastic crayons. Okay. Where oil pastels, I don't permit. Okay. Oil pastel, I don't permit. And wax crayons also not. Pencil colors also not. Plastic crayons. You can use plastic crayons of any company. And no need to purchase such big set. You can take a round dibbi, na gold wali dibbi. 12 shades come and that's also okay. Okay. And then we need earbuds. 3 to 4 earbuds. Okay. We need 3 to 4 earbuds. 4 to 5 if you have. If you don't have earbuds, you can make. I know on matchstick, put some cotton with help of your mom and you can make earbuds. We need little cotton. Cotton is also required. Little cotton. Sketch pen. One black sketch pen. Okay. Watercolors. You can take any watercolors. And you can take cake colors, tube colors, any. Watercolor is also required. Okay. And a container for water. So this is the material. If you have colorful sketch pens, you be ready with that. Otherwise, this is the material required. Cotton, this, a water container, watercolors, okay, and plastic crayons. This is the material required for next class. And now, as you all have done it so beautifully. So now see, after making this drawing, what is our second step? our second step is giving outline. The very first step is making drawing, which we have done. Now, second step is giving outline with this sketch pen. Okay, black sketch pen. We need only one, black. So now open your black sketch pen and start giving outlines. Okay. If you don't have watercolors, and many of you must not be having watercolors, so don't worry. You can simply do the work which we are doing with watercolors with crayons, simple. Like we are going to do watercolors in stone, watercolor in grass. Simply you do colors, simple. Okay, don't worry, because during lockdown, if you don't have material, it is really difficult to arrange. So don't worry. Okay. And now I will move my black sketch pen on my complete artwork. Okay. Yes. Complete artwork. And they all are missing. These all tiny fishes, and everyone is missing that time when ocean was so clean. These days, it's difficult to breathe. They are complaining. Maria, you please listen and do something. Maria is very quietly, calmly, with a smile, listening all this. And then Maria took a decision. What was that decision? I will tell you in next class. So next class is going to be full of excitement because we will be listening a story. No, you can't skip outline part. Outline is very important because it gave a very tidy and complete look to your work. So you can't skip this, okay? Give outlines, and only with black. Don't use colorful sketch pens. With black. So say using this S. We use simply letters and numbers, and we learn this beautiful artwork. So this is the magic of letters and numbers. And this is not only a simple artwork, it is a complete concept-oriented drawing. That please don't spoil our water world. We live here, we are dying because you are polluting our water world. So this is the message. We will be making jewelry, and an armlet, bracelet with earbud, bubbles also with earbud. Okay, so see, the class will get over at 2. So remaining outline you will do in homework, okay? And very carefully. So see this ways, after giving outlines, your drawing will start getting a clear effect. Okay. This is J for jug, if you remember. This is again a J for jug. So this way is J and all these things. D, capital D for making eyes. C for making eyebrows. C for making eyeballs. Small tiny C for nose. And a cute smile. So we use simply letters and numbers. I want to check it because many of you must have given outlines. Please lift up your work. Show. Okay, you all are lost in doing work. So see, this is your homework now. And if you enjoy today's class, okay, if you enjoy today's class, you can show a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Can I see that thumbs up? Yes, let me see how many of you enjoy. That's very good. So next class, be ready with material. We are going to do watercolors. We are going to do earbud technique. We will be using our thumb. This is not only to show thumbs up. This is very useful for painting also. You will see that. And our next class will be full of excitement and a very good story. In our regular sessions also, I always share a story during coloring time. So our next class will be very full of excitement. So with this, with lots of blessings, I will take your leave. I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.